Hi, so my presentation is on Rosie Revere, Engineer by Andrea Beatty. So Andrea Beatty is a children's author. She's from a small town in Illinois. As a kid, she loved reading. She loved the Nancy Drew and Trixie Belton mystery series. She graduated from Southern Illinois University with a degree in biology and computer science. She began technical writing, in which she noticed it was great practice for writing for kids, and thus became her own editor. As of now, she continues to go to schools and show kids her love for reading and writing. So, a review of the book is, the thesis of this book is that not everything can be accomplished in a day, and if you fail, do not give up. Beatty explained this when she stated that Rosie built a helicopter out of cheese string and flew only an inch, which she got upset and wanted to quit. Luckily, her aunt was there and told her that it is not right to give up, and helped Rosie build a plane that could fly. Thus, failing is a way of learning and finding where the mistake was made. Another way of looking at this is technology is mostly trial and error in a way. It will take a lot of failed attempts to get to the right place in society today. So, an analysis of this book is due to an incident Rosie had when showing her family her experiments. She became shy in class and at home. This made her seem as an outcast in both places. However, she never gave up on her dream to be an engineer. When she failed with her aunt, and her aunt picked her back up, she was an inspiration to the rest of her classmates, and from then on, they began working on experiments, and they were proud of their failures together and even prouder of their successes. Rosie helped her classmates come together and teach them that failure can only make you better, which is something kids always struggle with, especially today. In conclusion, Beatty created a fun and teachable book for kids. She taught them that failure is a part of life, and that it can be a good thing when trying something new. Yes, failing at something is a horrible feeling. However, Beatty is trying to say that without failure, the things we have now wouldn't exist, or they wouldn't be as good as they are. We must not give up on something that seems hard and impossible. And a quote from the book is, "Life might have its failures, but this was not it. The only true failure can come if you quit."